Hello everyone, it's Adam here. In today's video we're going to be talking about the Hondo Garage Juiced Squeeze. There you go, a little closer there. So Hondo Garage out of I think Colorado started building these mounts a few years ago for smartphones. They've since expanded to support tablets or larger phablets, as people like to call them. And I've had this thing on a few different bikes. I think I've had like 5 of these mounts. And then these guys were hard at work at this, and I'll talk about more than that in a second. At the same time, 2 guys out of Virginia came up with the Moto Power Puck about 3 years ago, and they keep improving it ever since then. And so Moto Power Puck, my original concept was I actually put a Moto Power Puck onto a Perfect Squeeze, and then my buddy Matt extended these arms a little bit with some tap welding or whatever you want to call it to make it work together. I used that for about a year. And then all of a sudden, Moto Power Puck emailed me and said, hey, we're coming out with the Juiced Squeeze. That's a collaboration with Hondo Garage. And so we're working together. So where they have a Moto Power Puck a Perfect Squeeze with a Moto Power Puck built into it. I've been running this thing on, Heather has one. I have one on my GS and I have one on my Beta. So that's 3 of these setups, and I've loved it. It's just great. You drop your phone on and it starts charging between 5 and I think 15 watts, depending on what kind of phone you have. But the Qi charging just goes right into the system. So I've got a Qi charger. It's hooked up down here to the Eastern Beaver PC8 power module. It's running up here, it's running back behind, and then it's running up the stock over here to this little cord here. So you can see if I take this off, you can see we have a cord right here that goes down to the bottom. It's a quick disconnect. It's watertight. You've got your ram ball in the rear here, the Perfect Squeeze. Perfect Squeeze, all you have to do is you just squeeze this here, and this allows you to, move this out and in like that. And then for finer adjustment, use this little turny thing right here to actually tighten it down. So you know, if you have a Perfect Squeeze, you can buy the Juiced Squeeze upgrade, or for $179, you can just buy the whole thing, which is Juice Squeeze plus the base, and then you can pick if you want to use a ram ball mount or a handlebar mount, and then it just goes on here on this little ram ball right there. But I want to show you guys something that I've been running on the Beta for a while now. If you got a twin like a BMW, a KTM 890, 1090, you're probably not going to need this thing, but about 3 years ago on my Beta, which is a single cylinder 500cc dirt bike, my phone stabilization, my image stabilization plane failed, and pictures look like crap. And I had to go to an Apple store and get the new iPhone. So Moto Power Puck, I'm getting confused. Hondo Garage, which makes Perfect Squeeze, started making the Buzzkill. The Buzzkill will go to the back of this, and it basically allows for a plane of movement on all sides, and that basically eliminates a lot of the vibrations. Now it's going to make your Perfect Squeeze look a little stupid because it's going to be bouncing around on really hard terrain, but it does save your camera lens. So I'm going to install it real quick. So as you can see here, we have the, well, you can't see because this is all in the way, but basically, yeah, iPhone goes here. You have just under it the Buzzkill accessory, which will move on a nice little plane like this. It's little micro movements, but that's what destroys your sensor. And so having this on the bike is just great. Not necessarily on a twin or a triple or maybe on a S1000, but you know, this is great for singles. And you could even in this way, you know, not do what I'm doing, which I'm running it with a standard Ram handlebar mount. You could probably buy the Hondo Garage handlebar mount, which makes this all super flat because you don't have a ram arm. I like having the ram arm because when I'm standing, I can move this up. If I'm sitting, I can move it down. And it's just a nice way to see the phone. But no denying, this is actually adds a lot of height to your phone and kind of brings it up pretty high in the air. You can combat that a little bit by doing what I'm doing, which is dropping the handlebar mount to be facing this direction, so the ball is actually back here. So that is the Hondo Garage Perfect Squeeze with the Moto Power Puck integrated. And the news I heard the other day is that, I don't know if it's sold or partnered or merged or whatever you want to call it, but basically the Moto Power Puck guys are now supplying to Hondo Garage directly. Moto Power Puck as a direct-to-consumer company is no more. They are still making these and wholesalers, whatever, selling them to Hondo Garage. but they're not worrying about marketing or sales direct anymore to people like me, which is a shame. I like those guys a lot. They were super cool and really just entrepreneurial spirit, super smart. They made a really great product. A lot of people are copying it now. And I'm glad that this is going to live on as a part of the Hondo Garage Perfect Squeeze family. So very straightforward installation. You drop your phone there, it starts charging. You've got this guy here in order to loosen or tighten it. And that's it. Why not on the left side versus the right side? Well, honestly, it's because there's no room on my left side. I could move it to right here, maybe, but I'm waiting to see how the Garmin mount, which arrives in a couple of days, looks. Once that arrives, then I can always move this over to the other side. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you to the formerly known as Moto Power Puck guys for sending me this at no charge. I appreciate, you know, their sponsorship in the past. I love this product, and you know, I've been buying it full price before they sponsored me, and I'll keep buying these things at full price as I get new bikes because they're just awesome. And so appreciate it. Take care.